So again, today we will discuss about the Saral secure single phase energy meter that you see on the screen. And before we go into that, we will just see the main screen that comes in front of you when you on the meter. This will always come, as long as the display is like this when you initially on the meter, it indicates that the display is okay, because display is quite important. Unless you have a healthy display, you will not be able to read the data, or the data that you read will not be correct. So this is what it looks like. For example, your if your neutral is missing, then this will be crossed like this. It will display that there is something wrong with the neutral. Okay, otherwise if it's healthy, then nothing will be shown. Yeah, and then the build indicator also will be shown, like build 1, build 2, like that. Okay, so we'll go further. This is a serial number. First the second will be displayed, and then like this, then the higher digit SS20, like you see there, on the you'll see, like it will be displayed like this one. And then the time also, that the current time here is 19, or in 7 o'clock that we express in terms of PM or AM. This is the current time, and after this is the date. The date is 14th of August 2020, before the lockdown. All right, and then we will go further and see what is the next. This is the bill 1 kilowatt hour. For example, today is March of 2024, right? So this bill history number 1 is of the previous month of Feb, the 29th date 29 of Feb at 24 hours, or we say 12 hours midnight. This is the kWh reading 230, the active energy consumption 231. All right, it is of the previous month. So this is the history, and then we need this in fact for calculations of the active power consumption, and for billing purpose. This is what we need. We are not billing consumers on the basis of kWh, except for industries, depending that also from state to state. For example, in the state of Meghalaya, those which are more than 100 watt or something, then we base them on the basis of kVAH. And then the power factor of the previous month is also shown here, at 12 o'clock midnight, or at 24 hours. It was 0.84 of the previous month. And then the demand of the previous month was also 0.730, okay, or 731. And then the kVH of the previous month at the last day of the month of the previous month was 275, and then this meter has been on for 870 hours. All right, 870 hours. And then we'll keep saying what is the next data. Now is the voltage also 210 is good enough, because it's quite at some distance from the transformer. That's why we are getting this much. If we are near to the transformer, the distribution transformer, we will be getting good voltage of 240. And then the phase current, we are taking neutral or phase, doesn't matter, it is 2.8. and then from here on you can calculate the power also. 2.8 you multiply with your recorded voltage of 211, you are getting around 500 watt. All right, so this is how you calculate. Keep changing because it's not constant. And then this is what is needed, that you have to take the reading, kWh reading. This is the reading that you are going to take. Okay, the kWh of 366, and the kVH will be slightly higher for 35, because it is we say it's the root of the square of the active and the active and the reactive power. All right, and then this is the present status of tampering, whether tampering has been done to this meter. No, because it's showing here good. All right, indicating that there is no tampering done. So this meter is in good condition. Okay, there is no tampering done to this meter. The present tampering, it's 0. All right, and then the current tampering is also in good status, indicating that there has been no current tampering done. And then there's the LOT. It is the okay, that is not required for us. And the present demand is 0.576. This is the present demand. Okay, this is important if in case you have to calculate the connected load. And for